Good day everyone. My name is Cyclin Ledesma. This moment I going to discuss about assessment on teaching poetry. Okay, now we're going to introduce what is assessment poetry. Assessment poetry it helps evaluate student understand of poetry, focus and meaning, expressions and creativity, encourage appropriation of poetry language. Okay, now let's go to the objectives of assessment. Okay, understand theme, message of poems, identify element poetry, and let's develop creativity and self-expression. Now, going to the method of assessment. Okay, number first one is oral poetry reading. Second one is comprehension questions. Third one is poetry analyze. And last, the creative form writing. Okay, this time we're going to discuss tools and assessment. Okay, there's a lot of assessment tools, but I give you the most common assessment tools. One is short quizzes, rubric for recitation and writing, reflection journal, group presentation. Okay, so I know as a student we know what is short quizzes, rubric, recitation, rubric, recitation, writing, reflection journal, group presentation. So I'll know experience that type of assessment tools. Now we're going to discuss assessment criteria. Okay, assessment criteria should be accuracy, interpretation, use of form elements, creativity and originality, clarity of expression. So that is the of assessment of assessment criteria. Okay, to understand this topic, the conclusion further assessment balance knowledge and creativity. Okay, so to balance knowledge and creativity, it promote emotion and person connection of the form. So it can promote connection to the form, the assessment of poetry. Okay, help improve language and critical thinking skills. So it helps language skill and critical thinking skill. That's I think that will be all my report. So this will be the reference. Alright. Once again, my name is Aiklen Dedisma. Thank you for listening.